ladies and gentlemen, we have a new printer and I would like to show you how you set this up. This is HP latest model, bought it from Costco on Black Friday, and I'll give you a few tips to unbox this. I usually cut it from the bottom and I'll free my hand to set this up upside down. Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3301. We got to replace it were the ones that we have before, that we bought from Costco as well. The one we have is a 253 model. It's keep having issues with disconnecting. Quick instruction manual, power cord, they made these things actually even much easier. Might just get used to how they used to do this, but right now you can just simply open the top and will be arrows on it, and you drop it down on the side and you use the handle to pull that out. So it's all the paperwork. You got a reference guide, that's right after installation. We've got some setup guide, which is pretty simple. I'll show you a few steps. Warranty slip, and in different languages and so on. Let's go ahead and set this up. And we do have a great place for it. We always have the printer over here. So the first thing is connecting power cord. Remove all the plastics. Scanner tray. Self-loading, which is great. What else they have? USB plug. There's toners over here. I think it's all preloaded. It's black. It's all ready to go. You don't have to do anything. 1, 2, 3, and a yellow. So they made this simple to start and to operate. Preload your paper. And of course there's a lot of options over here with the standard formats, smaller cards, and for the larger paper. On the back we have right here, you can connect via network cable, and that's probably fax connections. This is change the settings on the video so you can see better. So let's talk about a little bit of the future. So the printer has all the features that you always need for a small business. It's actually, let's power this on, power button right here, and wait till it's loaded. So the printer itself, it's a high quality color laser and compact design. Fast styling, printing, scanning, copying and faxing, so you can fax it. Advanced network protection with HP Volt Pro security. Always stay connected with reliable Wi-Fi. So this one has TeraJet original HP toner, 218. Of course it's a wireless, print, copy and fax. And this great printer supports iPhone options, Apple AirPrint and Apple AirBeacon. So you can download it from either Apple Store or get in the Google Play. Work with Android and Microsoft. This printer is intended to work only with the new or reused cartridges. So to have a new or reused HP chip and use dynamic security measures to block cartridges using non-HP chip. I know I used to change the chips to be able to refill it. So you set up, you click English, have other options on it. We got Espanol, French, Portuguese, Japan, Germany, Ruski, even have a Ruski, Russian. Okay, we'll go pick the English, and yes, confirm we want to have an English. Let's zoom this thing. And we're located in the United States, and we will connect through Wi-Fi. And as soon as we get the FBI surveillance 5G, we're going to be punching in password. Next, we enter the password and submit, and it's connecting. The screen is very soft and very sensitive, I would say. So I was accidentally use wrong letter. Continue. Firmware update. Sure. We do want to update since we're connected to network. Make sure you update the firmware so your printer works as intended. Read the security and policy. Click next. Auto update recommended. We want that thing to be up to date. Continue. Thank you for your choosing HP. Continue. So you have an option to put the pin in there. We're not going to put the pin. It's calibrating. I'll show you the box while we're talking. So this is a barcode, and this is the model number. MFP 3301cdw. That's basically what it is to it. Features: two-sided printing, scanning, copying, and faxing. 26 letter page per minute, 250 page input tray, automatic document feeder, customized shortcuts, which is nice, HP Wolf Pro Security, which I was stating, dual band Wi-Fi, we put it to 5G, then automatically reconnects, and that's everything in Spanish. And where did I read about fancy feature for the phones? Right here. Alright, we've got things done so far. Menu, copy, scan, fax, amazing. So if you want to scan something into a file, scan to email, scan to network, SharePoint, scan to USB, to computer, so you can print instruction for that. And there's probably settings for the scanning as well. So if you go to supplies, probably show you how much supplies, cartridges, ink is full, very fast responsive display, settings, I can't get a good quality image, sorry. Firmware update, print, tray, supplies. Wondering if you can set the print quality, less paper curl, print quality, default print options, It's very simple and easy to operate. I mean, another one was very slow. Fax settings, try settings, tray settings, so you can set everything. Print quality, which is their scanner. Let's go to the scanner. Fax settings, tray settings, general settings. Date and time, time zone, 2 a.m. So we need to change time to printer user, printer name. I'll do this. I don't want to change that. Time zone. Sign in. Input field are required. Enter username, user. Cancel. I guess I have to look it up. What I have to do. 7/26/25, which is wrong date. When in the world I get this printer username? That's something new. I guess you have to set up the username before you do this. Tray supplies. Well, I'm gonna play with this, but I think it's ready to work. HP Smart App. We're probably going to have an issue loading old printer, and that's our previous printer. I'm pretty sure new printer will pop up here. HP LaserJet M283cdw. Extremely horrible printer. So much problem with this. Let's go back to adding new printer. So this is a HP, what do you call this application? HP Smart App. You can download it for easy installation. We'll click plus on it, and we're gonna scan the network. And we can see we find this one is offline, this one is offline. M282, that's the both identical printers. They're both disconnected. There we go. This is the printer just pop up. I'm gonna double click on it. Privacy, accept all. Touch the check mark on your printer display. Because this printer has a security, so they ask me to authorization right here, hello. All right, we'll go back to it. Go back to printer, and it's loading everything. Getting printer's driver ready information. This might take a few minutes. Printer driver successfully installed. Click continue. And now our printer should be somewhere here. Let's go this way. One more time. I need to uninstall the old one. This one right here. HP cartridge, install it. Double click on it. Supply status. Checking supplies. So the cartridge is full and printer is ready to go. We're going to be test the print page. So we'll print 2 documents, print, set nice frame, click print, and second one, print, set nice rate, cancel, print. It's actually still showing the old printer, my apologies. Right here, we'll pick up the right printer. There we go. Print. I have to uninstall old printer. Print. Select a newer printer here. Print. Printer is printing a lot quieter. I'm saying printer is easy and quiet, right? It's the one. And this is the second one. I don't like the format from different country because our papers never fit. This one fit perfect. Then for this one is not, but it's excellent. Well, the printer is easy to install. It takes us about 15 minutes to unbox and start the work. Thanks so much for watching. Please like for the video, subscribe, and leave your comment what you think about this printer.